Hey guys, it's Madison. Thanks for joining me in this faithful home. Guys, I'm really excited that you clicked back for another Vlogmas video, and in today's video, I'm gonna take you back about a week ago when I decorated our entire apartment for Christmas. I'm super excited. It's literally taken me a week to even finish this video, and so I'm finally coming around to sit down and film this intro and outro just to tell you guys that this apartment is super freaking cute. If you aren't already subscribed to this channel, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button so you feel welcomed into this faithful home with me. If you haven't already seen the video where I decorate the Christmas tree, make sure to check down in the description box below and follow that link after this video so that you can watch how we decorated our first full-size tree. But without further ado, let's decorate this apartment for Christmas. I love that I get to start out by decorating our table. I am so excited to use all of these pieces that I got from Target last year. And if you haven't seen my Christmas stash for 2020, make sure you check that out in the description box below because it shows everything that I will be using in today's video and where I got them from. A really fun and easy way to spruce up your couch for the Christmas holiday season is to simply get pillow covers that match the season you're decorating for. So instead of having to store a ton of Christmas pillows all year, I'm just covering the pillows we already had with these pillowcases that I actually sewed last year for Vlogmas. In the last Vlogmas video that went live on my channel, I showed you guys how I painted these adorable peg wood doll nativity scene. They were super easy and cute to make, and I love the personal touch that it brings to our home. We couldn't get as festive this year because we live in an apartment now and not a house, but I added our rug and then this wreath that I DIY'd last year to give it a nice Christmas touch. Okay guys, this tree is actually growing on me and I think it is super cute. It's David's Star Wars tree and I actually really love all of the different characters on this tree. Plus, even the Hallmark ones light up and tell the story of Star Wars. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed our decorating the apartment video. I hope it gave you some good motivation to get some more things decorated for your house if you haven't already, which hopefully you have by now because it is the beginning of December and we are only at this point like 2.5 weeks away from Christmas, which is crazy in and of itself. Where has 2020 gone? I guess we're kind of okay that it's almost over. It's fine. But if you did enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what your favorite thing is from my apartment decorating video. Was it David's Star Wars tree? Let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought of this video. If you are new to my channel, like I said earlier, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button so you feel welcomed into this faithful home with me. I upload videos on Wednesdays and Saturday at 3 p.m. Eastern, but because it is Vlogmas the entire month December, I am adding a bonus video on Mondays at 3 p.m. Eastern as well. So make sure that you check back for that and I will see you guys in another video soon. Bye guys!